Hello students, I am Neeraj sir. How are you all? I hope you all are very good at home and maintaining proper health and hygiene with your family. Now we are going to start our next lesson of GK, that is life in the desert. So this lesson is very interesting and very important. I hope you all will enjoy this lesson. So you all know that what are the conditions in desert areas. As you all know that desert is having very hot climate during whole year, and also there is a lack of water in that area. So therefore, for surviving in such harsh condition, plants and animals which live in that area have developed special body features to survive in that such harsh conditions. So they have adapted to live in that areas. So we have already seen adaptation lesson in the previous class. Now let us start. These are the topics which we are going to cover in this lesson. So first is barrel cactus. All cacti are succulents. Succulents means they store water in their leaves, stems or roots. As water is not available in that area, so they store water in their stems, and their stems are very thick so that water will not be evaporated. And this cactus is one such succulent that stores water. On storing water, its weight increases so much that a large specimen can weigh up to several hundred pounds. Some more interesting facts about this barrel cactus is its lifespan is 50 to 100 years. This cactus commonly grows 2 to 4 feet, but many grow taller than and can grow to be 6 to 10 feet tall. It can reach a diameter of 18 to 30 inches or more. The fishhook barrel cactus is often called the compass barrel because some of the larger plants lean toward the southwest. So students, let us start the next topic, that is old man cactus. So this is the another species of cactus. This cactus gets its name from the wisps of whitish hair along its stem, which provide shade and prevent water loss. As you all know that as the old man have whitish hairs, this cactus is also having whitish hairs. That's why this cactus got his name as old man cactus. So let us see some facts about this cactus. It grows well outdoors in Mediterranean climates. Old man cactus usually attains 6 meters, that is about 20 feet, before flowering, and can grow twice that height. The flat-faced flowers are produced from a mass of long wool and bristles that cap the stem. So this is all about old man cactus. Let us see the next one. So our next type of cactus is prickly pear cactus. Since this cactus, like many desert plants, stores water in its spongy tissues, animals like to eat it for the moisture. The thorns keep these plants safe from the many animal predators. Let us see some interesting facts about this cactus. So first fact is that this cactus has a Greek root. The word cactus is derived from the ancient Greek word, that is cactos. So this Greek word is cactos, so which means that prickly plant. Let us see next interesting fact. The prickly pear cactus is both fruit and vegetable. The deep red fruit that adorns on the prickly pear is referred to as tuna. As you can see in the image, this red fruit is referred to as tuna. So this tuna fruit is edible, means it can be eaten. Only we have to take care that we have to remove that visible barbed spines so that they cannot be locked in your throat. The green pods are considered as a vegetable and are also edible. And the next interesting fact about this is that those green things that look like leaves are not leaves. As you can see, the green pads are looking, so these are actually not leaves. The flat fleshy pads of the prickly pear look like leaves but are actually modified branches. These branches serve several functions, including water storage, photosynthesis, and flower production. The large spines that grow on the flat these flat branches are modified leaves that harden as they age. Now, prickly pear is also having some medicinal use. Native Americans discovered more than food source in the prickly pear cactus. These resourceful early inhabitants discovered a veritable pharmacy in the prickly pear plant. The prickly pear cactus has been used to treat stomach problems, cuts, and bruises. Also in sunburn, constipation, cold symptoms, and even diabetes. One folk remedy involves heating the pads and placing them on cold sufferers' chest to relieve congestion. So these are some interesting facts about prickly pear cactus. So students, let us see some information about the desert animals. The animal which you can see in the image is Addax. This animal has widely spread hooves and feet adapted to walking on soft sand. It is also equipped with a highly reflective coat and an ability to extract all the water it needs from plants. Both females and males have long spiral horns that typically are 30 to 43 inches, that is 76 to 109 centimeter in length. The horns have 1.5 to 3 spiral twists according to the Animal Diversity Web. Let us see some important and interesting facts about this animal, Addax. These animals are one of the few species where male and female have horns of the same size. These animals' coat color changes from dark grayish brown in winter to white in summer, which is an efficient method of maintaining body temperature. These Addax animals are often considered the most well adapted antelope to desert environment. Addax rarely needs to drink since they are able to get most of the water they need from plants they eat. Addax are one of the most endangered mammals in the world. Current estimates shows that there to be less than 500 individuals left in the wild. So this is some information about Addax. So let us move forward. Students, let us see some information about Fishhook Cactus. As you can see, there are hook-shaped spines on the cactus which are helping this cactus to divert heat and provide shade to the growing tip of the plant. This Fishhook Cactus is having height up to 6 to 7 inches, that is 20 centimeter, and they are shaped similar to a barrel cactus. This cactus is most commonly found in the Sonoran Desert, and it is very small and round in shape. It has long spines that look like a fish hooks, which is how it got its name. This cactus, like others, survives through the photosynthesis. In the early summer, red and purple flower begin to grow from the side of the cactus and can grow to be the large as cactus itself. The fishhook cactus reproduces by seed. Many cacti lean towards the sun as they grow. So students, let us see some information about the next desert animal, that is fat sand rats. The fat sand rats are distributed throughout North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Fat sand rats are very selective in their diet, only eating stems and leaves of plants. The fat sand rats acquired its name due to the fact that when it is fed a typical rodent diet, it quickly becomes obese and develops diabetes. Now students, let us see some fun facts about the animal fat sand rats. When feeling danger, fat sand rats usually sit up on their hind limbs and observe surroundings to detect the threat. When alarmed, they flee to their burrows. While eating, these rodents hold their meal with one hand. Before consuming leaves, fat sand rats wipe them. They also comb their fur with their front legs. Sand rats live without drinking water and consume only salty plants, comprising a very little amount of moisture. This is due to their effective kidneys, which produce urine that is up to 18 times as concentrated as that of humans. Rats are known for their curious nature. However, these animals are extremely cautious, typically fleeing from danger rather than directly facing it. Rats are very clean creatures. They spend a lot of time daily cleaning and grooming themselves and each other. Rats have very little water requirements. They can survive without water for even longer periods of time than camels. The multifunctional tail of this rodent is used in keeping balance, communication, as well as controlling the body temperature. This is some information about fat sand rats. Now, this is your homework, as I have collected various information and discussed with you. In the same way, you have to collect this information about the some animals and plants as given in the slide. So as you can see, this information you have to collect and you have to write in your GK notebook, so that your knowledge will be developed and you will learn various new interesting things. So thanks students for watching video. I hope you have enjoyed video. Stay tuned for the next video.